Welcome to the latest and very easy to apply TikTok marketing video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of getting the most out of TikTok on behalf of your business. I'm very excited to have you here, and I know that this will be very helpful for you. This exclusive video training will show you step by step, topic by topic, and tool by tool what you need to know to dominate TikTok marketing in the easiest way possible, using the most effective tools and in the shortest time ever. This video training is comprised of 20 HD training videos, ready to show you the latest TikTok marketing strategies. This is exactly what you are going to learn. Video number 1, what is TikTok all about? Video number 2, signing up for TikTok. Video number 3, TikTok walkthrough. Video number 4, switching your TikTok personal account into a TikTok Pro account. Video number 5, branding your TikTok profile for business. Video number 6, creating your first TikTok video. Video number 7, using Discover as a powerful marketing tool. Video number 8, creating a hashtag challenge. Video number 9, increasing reach by cross-promoting your TikTok content on other social platforms. Video number 10, how businesses use TikTok in the real world. Video number 11, TikTok Web. Video number 12, tips for setting up a profitable influencer marketing campaign for TikTok. Video number 13, best TikTok video ideas to boost your brand. Video number 14, encouraging TikTok users to generate content for your brand. Video number 15, running a contest or sweepstakes on TikTok the right way. Video number 16, best TikTok marketing strategies to increase followers. Video number 17, TikTok marketing do's and don'ts. Video number 18, TikTok marketing premium tools and services to consider. Video number 19, TikTok marketing success stories. Video number 20, TikTok marketing frequently asked questions. Well, it's time for you to start getting the most out of TikTok on behalf of your business. I know you'll love this training.